Next, I'll demonstrate the back stitch. It also has numbers in front, showing how many strands to use. Let's start with this line. Using 2 strands of color number 4. Start from the left end. Make a small stitch forward. Then bring needle up ahead. Take it back down. Come up ahead again. Go back to the second stitch. Following these steps, along the pattern's path, complete the remaining line. Keep stitch length even for smooth and consistent lines. Take the final stitch down. Let's look at the result. Now let's demonstrate the 6-strand line below, using 6 strands of color number 1. Again, start from the left. Make a small stitch forward. Come up ahead. Complete the pattern following these steps. Compared to the outline stitch, back stitch lines are more solid, perfect for text or pattern outlines. Take it down. Let's look at the result. Compare the changes from 1 to 6 strands. Lines progress from thin to thick due to different strand counts, creating varied visual effects.